So they're little cottages, about 1,000 square foot.
Oh, cute.
It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Yep, okay.
And because this is Robert's mother's nest egg, they know that they don't want to leave any money on the table.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So see, even pulling in, like,
Oh, yeah.
you can see all these homes. There's like maybe 3 models,
Yeah.
but they're all like these ramblers. So
this is cute.
Yeah.
And it does look like a little single family kind of cottagey home.
But I mean,
Always good
already
stuff.
sitting here, I can see the paint, the
Roof, fencing.
Yeah.
It is pretty obvious that this house hasn't been well maintained. The siding has peeling paint.
Yeah.
One of the garage doors isn't actually closing all the way. Real quick before we go in, put your phone down. Just real quick for a
I have
moment.
a pocket.
Okay. All right. We're going to center ourselves.
Oh my gosh.
No, please.
Lyndsay, you look like a weirdo.
It helps ground you. I feel like you're a little feisty.
I'm not feisty.
Just a little wound up.
I am far from wound up.
Okay.
I'm just not calm.
Namaste.
Come on in.
Thank
you. This is so cute.
Yes.
It
Yeah, it's beautiful. So Robert, this is your mother's
Correct,
place.
yes.
Okay.
She lived here for about 10 years.
Okay.
Due to health issues, she moved closer to us in
Okay.
Burlington. So
Awesome. And you guys have tried to sell it, or?
we've tried, but it needs some work.
This area is really, really cool. I love these vaulted ceilings and the light and everything.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It really is.
She loved the windows here
Yeah.
because there was squirrels and birds that she
Yep.
liked to feed, and
It's
she
beautiful.
loved that.
Okay, that deck looks like it needs some help. Does the HOA keep up the yard, or is that
Not
her
in the
responsibility?
backyard. In the
Okay.
front yard, yes.
Okay.
But not in
Okay.
the backyard.
Typically, we would never, ever want to get rid of a wood-burning fireplace, but I strongly dislike how it is cutting off the flow of the room.
Nice size kitchen, though. I mean, the kitchen's not tiny.
But this doesn't seem ideal
Yeah.
because that's pretty tight right there,
Right.
walking
Yeah.
through.
Did your mother update these counters?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think it's great that your mom was able to update this and enjoy it some, but it's not really what a buyer would be looking
Right.
for today. It's definitely a countertop that I would see more in,
A manufactured home?
yeah, or like a travel trailer.
Right.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why'd you have to hit me?
Well, because I was trying to think that, but I said manufactured.
I think it was her way of saying you're right.
Yeah.
It's an aha moment.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for showing us the home. We'll go back, we'll look at this specific neighborhood,
Okay.
maybe other ones that are right here, because we know South Everett really well. Does that sound good?
Yeah, sounds great.
Our demo crew has a lot to do. We're taking out that pantry. We're removing the dated countertops in the kitchen. The kitchen cabinets are coming down. And my biggest goal, to open up as many walls as possible in that entry. Let's tour it, let's get that open house,
Yeah.
and let's get this thing sold.
Welcome back. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
This is amazing. It's beautiful, you guys.
I like that you opened this all up. This makes it so much more like a home and
Yeah.
not squeezing in and out of the kitchen.
It was
and-
crazy.
We couldn't figure out why the builder didn't build it with the entry open. We put in this built-in kind of stop and drop here to give purpose to this area,
I love
but
it.
also like a little bit more elevated. So
That's a built-in?
It is.
Oh, I love
Yeah.
it.
Yep. So my style here is tranquil hideaway. I just want it to be like that little hideaway that you go and escape from the craziness of the world.
It's wonderful. I love this.
Good.
do you guys want to see your kitchen?
Look at that. Oh, I love the cupboards. So fresh and inviting. Can you believe this?
Wow.
This is the same size kitchen, but I mean, before I felt like we were literally standing on top of each other.
Right.
Then we realized if I blew out everything on this side,
Oh, yeah.
then it didn't really feel as tight anymore.
Oh my gosh, this is not the same house.
Farmhouse sink, we love the curtain sinks.
I just noticed the faucet. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Let's buy it.
Yeah. Well, take it.
Yeah.
Let's walk this way.
I love the floors.
Yeah.
Good.
These floors are a huge difference, for
Oh,
sure.
yeah.
We kept the dining room.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
And do you notice what we did here?
You just changed it around.
Exactly.
It's great. I actually am glad that you kept the stove because
Right.
it'll be so nice and cozy in here with the high ceilings and everything.
I think it was just the way that it was positioned.
Yeah.
It just
Yeah.
was an eyesore, and now it's like a feature.
I love it.
It's wonderful.
And then styled really simple for Lyndsay's tranquil hideaway.
This is everything I've ever wanted. You.
It does look so much bigger.
Yeah.
This is everything I've ever.
I'm so excited for people to see it.
Yes.
All right, let's peek and see what we
my
did
gosh.
in the backyard.
Okay.
So
Oh my gosh.
we
So much better.
We
Yeah.
took that old deck and Leslie planted a full garden. So you want to tell them what's in there?
Yes, our magnolia is giving us a couple petals right now, but we have raspberries and lettuce and all kinds of herbs and
Strawberries.
strawberries are in there.
A lot of people are trying to can again.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
So I think that's a great idea. I love it.
Okay, so one thing I was curious was, did you notice our new doors?
I noticed them.
You did.
So let's go check out the door in the front first.
Let's go see this bathroom.
All right.
Now remember how small it was.
Oh,
my gosh. Just as a different room. This looks amazing.
From here
Oh, wow.
over. This was all the bathroom. The door would open here.
You guys are
Okay.
standing where the hall was.
Right.
Okay.
So what we did was, instead of having a hall, we put that in the bathroom, and then we're able to fit in this full closet behind you.
Wow. Look at that shower head, Robert. It's beautiful.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, second bedroom. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
It looks so
wow.
much better.
Well, it doesn't have to
Nice.
dry rot.
Yeah. Thank you for taking care of that. I love how it looks.
They're just going for open and airy,
Yeah.
new floors. We replaced the base throughout the entire house just to make it feel a little more modern as well.
Ain't nobody like me, ain't nobody like me, ain't nobody like me. What you got, I'm feeling me,
I love the farmer's market.
Do you
I-
need to pick up flowers
I
today?
definitely want to get flowers.
Okay.
Some fruits. Those are beautiful. Thank you.
But I can hold this. But hey, you know what? This morning when you were out at that design house, I was able to sign an offer around with Robert and Lisa.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, Lynn.
Leslie, it's been like 2 days on the market.
I know. We were listed at $550,
Yeah.
and we ended up going under contract at $580.
That's gonna be the most in that neighborhood.
It is. And once we got paid back our investment of $100, we actually were able to split $75,000, which gave us each $37,500.
Leslie, that's insane.